I want to tell y'all what's going on, but I can't. I gotta tell y'all later. Yo, Coke. So I'm not being different. I'm not being shady. Y'all always. Unfortunately, we can't make a label that shows everything, but yeah, that's what it's supposed to. Next, I'm using my halfway shade to blend the middle section. Lost weight. Who do or red color to make the transition seamless, and it did exactly what I needed to do. And last hey, I'm using dude, what's up? And it looks perfect. So I'm gonna move on.
Where are you, Papa?
Huh?
Where are you?
I'm in Florida.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
What do you mean why? I can't just come just to enjoy myself. It would got to be a special occasion. I mean, I am a dad 24/7, all day, every day. I don't go out. I don't drink all day, smoke all day. I can't like have some free time.
Well, why aren't I there if you're having free time?
Do you want this on here?
No, I'm saying, Papa, why aren't I there if you're having free time?
Oh, Duke, the plane ticket, the room, um, it was. I know you got a lot going on. I know you got stuff you got to take care of. I know you're not one of them people that spend your last to go on a trip. You know what I'm saying? And so so you know what I'm saying? so, so
But, Papa,
priorities. That's it.
my priorities are straight. My priorities are straight. Like, even
That's
right
all.
now, Papa, I know that you're on vacation.
Huh?
I know that you are on vacation and stuff. Um, but I was just coming on just to see, I know that you're on vacation. I know you are, dad of the year, you handle your business. But I came up here real quick, just to see if you could send me a couple dollars to make it up the road real quick to get me a bite to eat. I'm literally starving, Papa. I literally come up here to see if you could send me a couple dollars just to get up the street.
Listen, did you get on here to ask for some money, or you got on here genuinely to say something? Which one is it for real, dude?
I'm telling you, I got up here
Yes,
to say something to you.
but as soon as you get on here, you ask me for some money. You don't ask me how I'm doing, how Callie doing, like how I'm feeling. You go straight to asking for money, dude. We talked about this. It gotta be a different transaction. You can't just keep calling me. Oh, Papa, I'm stuck at the gas station. I can't get home. Can you send me $2? Oh, Papa, I ain't ate all. Like, come on, dude. Oh shit, my bad. We gotta figure this out. Okay. So listen.
My babies. What's up, Crenshaw? Mr. Crenshaw. You know the vibes. It's me, your girl Zuki on it, and Coke Kills. We would like to say happy birthday to you.
I,
From the Kills family.
I
From the Kills family.
hold on, let me pause this. I will be hosting Melissa's Black Party October 7th in Akron, Ohio. One of the biggest parties, okay? Always big. And I'm bringing a special guest. I can't say who I'm bringing yet, but just know I'm coming.
Papa,
Huh?
you need to stop it.
You said what?
You need to stop it,
So,
Papa.
I also, I want to be honest with you. Um, I have a connect for you. Don't get too excited, okay? I pulled some plugs and I made some things happen. Um, You will be. You got an interview tomorrow at 9 o'clock at Crystals. Okay, and he said he's gonna start you on a Friday. You'll work your way up, but it's a start, and it's 7.85 an hour. I'll make it happen.
Papa, you know what's going on with me.
What you mean?
You know what's going on with me, Papa. You know that won't work right now.
Why won't it work? Anything will work if you don't got no money. Work,
No, Papa, you know.
huh?
You know what I'm saying, Papa.
I don't.
It's just now's not a good time for me. I'm trying to get stuff together and get this done. I'm trying to go get my CNAs and start my business and stuff. So it's that won't work right now.
In order to do that, you have to type of income coming in. It can't just be from me. So my thing is, have an interview tomorrow with Joe Young. Ask his name is Joe Young. I'll send you the address where it's gonna be at, and you're gonna start. Be thankful. You shouldn't be trying to choose what you want to.
I'm working. Listen, Master Crenshaw, that's what I'm trying to tell Coach. Master Crenshaw says, "Dude, we need a new song." I'm trying to focus on my career right now,
Duke,
Papa. I can't.
Duke, Duke needs some money. So that's what we gonna do.
I know. I need to focus back on my music. I need to get
Guess
back in the studio.
guess
I need to do this. I need to do that. And right now, a job won't work for me, Papa. It just won't work with my schedule. My schedule is busy right now. I'm busy, 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 busy. So,
what? It took me a lot to be able to pull the string, especially with your background. Okay? So just start somewhere. It's a stepping stone, okay? So start somewhere, and guess what? When you start working, you will start having money for studio, you'll start having money for gas, you'll start having food and things like that. So don't do that. It's okay, dude. Right? You're gonna do whatever it takes to get to okay?
it's kind of like, Papa, I get what you're saying. And, I'm grateful. But it's like, you don't know, like, what I've been up to. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I literally been like, I've been viral. I've been viral, 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 viral. And
Dude,
it's like,
listen,
if
dude. Tyler Perry is going to see it, okay? But guess what? Until then, we have to start somewhere. Your acting is wonderful. I love the skits. You did a really good job, especially the color purple. And the movie is coming out in December. You did a good job. But my thing is, Duke, in order for things to work out, we got to start somewhere. You hear me? You got makeup on?
no,
Don't lie, dude.
I don't, Papa. I don't have no makeup on. I'm just woke up like this.
Oh, welcome with a beard. That's what's up. You looking good. I like the wash face.
No filter.
How long you had that hair in?
Just a couple weeks. Just probably about 1 week.
1 week?
Yeah.
About to get dreads.
So, Papa, this is what I'm saying.
Yes, Duke. I would send you some money. I would send you some money. Just beat round but that's you want some money. You want money? That's what you want.
No, I'm not. I'm not going straight to money. You're bringing up money. What are you talking about? I was asking you about something else, and you talking about you want me to send you money, Koki. I don't need you to send me money right off rip. I mean,
I mean,
if you want to, then that's fine. But I'm not doing that right now.
dude. Okay, I'm about to cash app you right now. Hold up. I don't gotta do it for my other.
Oh boy. Oh gosh. Who would put that? Who would put that great? Who would put that great big wad in his pocket like that without giving me a couple?
I just hit 250. Dude. Ooh.
All right, go ahead and wrap this up. Go ahead and wrap it up, Coke. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Go ahead and wrap it the fuck up.
I'm sorry, dude. I just can't like.
No, the fuck you ain't. No, the fuck you not. No, the fuck you ain't. Wrap it up. Wrap it the fuck up.
Dropping y'all cash app.
Wrap it the fuck up, Coke. Stop playing. No, for real, Coke. Stop playing. No, for real. Don't play like that. No, for real. Cause if I get started, then you gon' don't shoot, dude, don't shoot. So you might as well go ahead and wrap this on up, cause it'll be a fucking shootout. I'm letting you know that right now.